Manorbier Castle was originally built in the 12th century by the powerful Norman de Barry family. Strategically located on the Welsh Pembrokeshire Coast, Manorbier Castle was built from local limestone and was positioned on a natural ridge overlooking the coastline. The elevation and strong stone construction demonstrate how architecture was used to combine defence, authority, and domestic life in medieval Wales. The castle is enclosed by thick defensive curtain walls that form a rectangular courtyard. Around this courtyard, the castle contains a large great hall, residential chambers, a chapel, and several service buildings. The Great Hall features tall stone walls and large windows, reflecting its role as the castle's social and administrative centre. Stone staircases, narrow passages, and defensive battlements illustrate the practical military design of medieval Norman architecture. Despite its defensive design, the castle also functioned as a comfortable noble residence. A fortified gatehouse controlled the main entrance, designed to protect the castle from potential attackers. Several square and round towers rise above the curtain walls, providing strategic vantage points of defense. The castle is closely linked to the medieval scholar and writer Gerald of Wales, who was born here in 1146. Today, Manorbier Castle is a well-preserved Welsh historical site open to visitors.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.